Good morning students. It's time to introduce type 3. In type 3, we will learn how to construct quadrilateral when sum of the sides and sum of the angles are given. So let's have a look. In your quadrilateral, 2 sides and 3 angles are given. How to construct your quadrilateral? So your question is construct quadrilateral MORE such that MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, angle R is equal to 105 degree. So let us quickly draw a rough sketch. So here I am going to draw a rough sketch. So this is your M, O, R, E. Write down all the measurement. Your OR is 4.5 centimeter and angle O is your 105 degree. Angle R is your 105 degree. Angle M is your 60 degree. And MO is 6 centimeter. So these are the values given to us. So how do you think you will start drawing this quadrilateral? We will start it exactly in same way as you can see in your rough sketch. You will first draw the length OR. Can you tell me why? Because for OR we know both these angles. We know angle O, we know also angle R. In fact, we can also start with MO because in MO you know angle M and angle O also. So the line which you are drawing becomes your base. Over that, other things you have to draw. It is always good to choose a line whose length is known to you and whose angles is known to you. So that's why we choose this line before. So first I have to draw a line segment. So see how I am doing. So first look at here. Your OR is your 4.5 centimeter. That means you have to take 4.5 centimeter. So here draw a line segment and taking this point as your center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter and name the point O, and this point is your R and this is your 4.5 centimeter. Now I have to draw angle O and angle R. In your previous classes, you have learnt how to draw angles. You can draw angle using a protractor or also you can draw angle using your compass. So here I am going to draw it by using my compass. So how you draw angle 105 degree? So first I have to draw 90 degree. So look at here how I am doing. So taking R as center, draw an arc Again taking this point as center. Again taking this point as center, draw another arc, and as you know that first arc is your 60 degree and second arc is your 120 degree, but I need 90 degree. So if I will divide 60 and 120, then I will get my 90 degree. Remember one thing, you have to take the same radius. So here taking this point as center, make an arc. Taking this point as center, make another arc. So here I am getting my 90 degree. So join the line. But here I want 105 degree. So 105 degree means it is greater than 90 degree but less than 120 degree. So if I will bisect 90 and 120, then I will get 105 degree. See how I am doing? So look at here, taking 90 as a center, you have to draw 120 as a center, you have to draw another arc. Look at here. Here I am getting the point. So I have to join the line. So I got my angle 105 degree. So in the similar way, I have to draw 105 degree in this side also. So I have to follow the same procedure. Again taking this point as center. First I have to draw 60 degree. Second I have to draw 120 degree. Then taking 60 as a center, I have to draw an arc. Taking 120 as a center, I have to draw another arc. And this is my 90 degree. Again I have to divide 90 and 120. So taking 90 as a center, I have to draw an arc. Taking 120 as a center, I have to draw another arc. If I will join this line, I will get my 105 degree. So here I got my angle 105 degree. Here also I got my angle 105 degree. So I have drawn angle O and angle R. Now what I have to do? Let us try to find this distance MO, because you know distance MO is your 6 centimeter. So take your compass at point O and take the length 6 centimeter. As you know that MO is your 6 centimeter. So take your compass at O, Then draw an arc at any point of this line at a distance of 6 centimeter. So whenever you will draw arc at anywhere, that means this point is your M point. So name this point as point M. Now you have to draw angle M. So your angle M is how much? 60 degree. So again I have to draw here 60 degree. In similar way I have to draw 60 degree. So taking M as center, I have to draw an arc and I got my 60 degree. So join this line. So this line will meet this line somewhere at this point. So this point is nothing but your point E. Look at your rough diagram. This is your point E. So now I got my point E. Your quadrilateral MORE. This is how we are able to construct quadrilateral with 2 sides and 3 angles. Try it at your home. See you in next class. Thank you.